Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this special edition here at Elon Earth and Space TV. This German YouTube channel, which I've started 2 years ago, is all about supporting Tesla and SpaceX teams to accelerate to sustainable energy and making the species of humans a multiplanetary species. And since the 24th of February, Elon's mission is also to support Ukraine, and I'm supporting him on this channel. So tonight I'm gonna give you the 2 minutes 20 seconds about I had the time of being with Elon Musk in Berlin, and while my car, the 2030 Giga 23 Model Y Performance, was delivered to me, was done, I had a few words to him, and it was amazing to talk to him and what Tesla is about, all in this show. So after the intro, we're gonna give you the brief Giga Factory Tesla promotion video to give you an inside view of Giga Factory. There was a tour I could experience. And then we're gonna go through the 2 minutes 20 where the car was delivered, and then some closing highlights about Tesla's mission and how I see it, and how I welcome all of you in Europe now, as Tesla has moved with Giga Factory 4 into the European center, into Germany. And I know all our European friends around are very excited that now the cars are coming from the European continent. And tomorrow I will present to you in English the first big review of the Model Y Performance, one of the first 30 cars. And I'm going to compare them to the other good electric cars which are around in this price range, or at least in the size range. And so you're welcome to subscribe to the channel. This is Honey, one of our cats. So she's always here to be part of this show, and I would be very happy if you joined the channel. So after the intro, we're gonna start, as I said, with Giga Factory delivery event and all the mission highlights of Elon's mission and how we wanna support it here at Elon X Arc, our mission. All right, let's go. Well, if you have this extraordinary moment in your life, what do you say? Well, I told him about the channel, that I'm supporting Tesla and SpaceX teams, and that I'm so amazed in his support to Ukraine that now he has to put all his effort into helping them with the Starlink. And I showed him that I have the Ukraine flag on my badge, and he liked it a lot and he understood the situation. And it's amazing. And then I asked him, of course, to sign the car, and he asked me where to put it, and I said, well, it's up to you. So he said, and he signed under the sunshade, and it was just great to see him being happy, and he's so authentic and he's so normal in everything. So he's a real leader and an amazing guy. This is where I showed him. And then of course we were talking about the computers when he programmed his first game, and I'm just 6 months younger than him, and I also programmed with my friend who was standing right to me, and we were in this generation in 1983, 84 when we were doing this. So I just said, like, it's so important what he does, and I thanked him for that, and that I do all my best to support him here. And it was just amazing to see Elon so close and how normal he is. He's such a true guy, and everything he does, it's unbelievable. He's one of the greatest persons on earth in this time and age, and it's such an honor to meet him. And I told him at the end, so I wish him all the best and to always be safe and that nothing happens to him. And of course we took a photo, and it's such a pleasure to meet such an important person. I didn't meet many important persons in my life. Kofi Annan, the UN Secretary General, and Bono from U2, who did so much via Amnesty International. But Elon Musk, definitely, he's the most important in my life so far. And then we drove off, number 23, waving at the crowd. It's such an impressive event, and congratulations all Team Tesla at Berlin. You're amazing, and all Tesla, everything what you do so far is changing the world and making energy sustainable. Well, it was an amazing event, and talking to Elon was absolutely the highlight, of course, of my 6 years with Tesla. I started 2015 with my first Model S P90D, and then 2 years after I bought the 90D Model S in white, and ever since then Model Y 2 times. This is my second one, and Model 3s I had a few. And of course 2009 started this channel to be promoting the transition to sustainable energy, and on this channel of course everybody will be supported in his transition to an electric vehicle, as Elon is stating, and this is what we are about here at Elon Earth and Space TV. Elon Earth is about supporting Tesla's mission to reach sustainable energy with electric cars, killing all the ICE cars, and promoting everybody who is transitioning to the battery electric vehicles, because that's the only efficient way to do it. The hybrids, I'm not really fan of those. And the space part of Elon Earth Space TV is about supporting SpaceX on the mission to making life multiplanetary. And in these days, when wars are happening again, which we never thought about, since 24th of February, Elon started to do his additional mission, and that is to support Ukraine, stopping the war and supporting them with, as you can see here, I put this picture, he sent the Starlink dishes to help support communication, which was destroyed after the first initial air raids from the Russian Air Force. And now the Ukraine soldiers and the military leadership is guiding their soldiers with Starlink, and it's such an amazing story. So Elon was very efficient in sending those dishes, but even more impressive is that he put all the satellites of Starlink over Ukraine active, and now those military communication lines are active. It's amazing technology, and Elon was one of the first, even faster than the governments, to help them. And that is something I thanked him during those 2 minutes, and that's what I showed him on the card. You know, on the card where I had the Ukrainian flag, that is something which we talked about, as I said, and now it's up to us to support. And here is Tessie Supply. It's a brand, a company which is working with me together, and we are sending €5 out of every 100 to make a movement to send them money. And all of the commission which you get when you use the Elon XR 10% voucher, all of this would be going to me, is going additionally onto that. So if you want to order anything for your new Model Y or Model 3, please use Tessie Supply. Until 15th of April, we will present to you on this channel how much we collected, and that's gonna go all to the Ukrainian. I'm trying to get the ambassador in Berlin, and we want to hand it over to him, so it's definitely getting to the right people in Ukraine. So this is what Tesla is all about, and I thanked Elon for doing this, the multiplanetary species, the sustainable energy, and now supporting the Ukrainians to stop this war. And we have to focus on the future. And I said, Elon, it's such a sad thing that you have to waste your time in doing people like the leaders of these countries who lead war, like Mr. Putin, that he has to waste his energy on stopping this war. So thank you for being here tonight. I hope it was a nice show for you, and I will continue to do some presentations for you in English. And of course, tomorrow is the highlight. I will show to you very detailed the Model Y performance and my experience after 1500 kilometers on it, and the consumption and all the highlights of this car. It's gonna be absolutely cool, and one of the first videos about it, and it's gonna be such a pleasure to have you on board. So please subscribe and leave me a like and leave your comments on this channel how you like it in English. And of course I will continue many of those shows in German for our German only speaking subscribers, because they want to know about it too. But I want to invite you here in Europe to support this channel, and with my 6 years experience as an aeronautical engineer, as a test pilot, as a guy who calculates most of those technical things this car makes it so special, and Elon Musk's mission with Tesla and SpaceX teams here in Europe. That's it, what all is about, and thank you for the last 2 years of support. And we are running now towards the 12,000 subscribers, and I think it's gonna go very fast from here, because I'm putting a lot of effort into this show to give you all the latest news, not only as a Tesla consumer, but also as a Tesla investor, and everybody who transitions to a battery electric vehicle makes it a better future. So thank you, and in the next days we're gonna look at what Elon was saying at Berlin, because it's such amazing strategic thinking, and I want to help you to understand what this is all about with my words from here. So welcome, and thank you for being the guests of the show. Until next time here at Elon Earth and Space TV. Good night.